everyone, welcome back to another episode of POPxo Makeup Masterclass. For today's video, I decided to do shimmery champagne eyes with classic bold eyeliner because it never goes out of style. So without further delay, let's get right into the video. So that was it for the video, guys. I absolutely love this look. I feel it's easy to do and super glamorous. Do try this out and let me know your views about it in the comments section below. And since you love us and our content so much, you can join the MyGlamm and POPxo Insider program and get ₹150 off on all MyGlamm beauty products. The link is down in the description box. And for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily. Bye!
Press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.